Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop. In this video we're going to be demonstrating YouChoos sound file for the Somerset and Dorset 7F280 as part of our Somerset and Dorset celebration, which is featured in HM166, that's the April 2021 issue. This issue is celebrating 55 years since the closure of the Somerset and Dorset Railway on March the 5th, 1966. And in that issue you'll be able to read a number of features about the Somerset and Dorset Railway, including our full sound installation guide for this 7F280. The base model is from Bachmann and it's for double O gauge, and it models a class of 11 locomotives that were built in two batches in 1914 and 1925 specifically for the Somerset and Dorset route. In fact, that is the only place on the British Railway network where you would see one of these locos in service, and happily two of them are preserved today. 53808, the subject of our locomotive here, as well as its classmate 53809. Our sound project uses a ZIMO MX644 21-pin decoder from YouChoos, which has been loaded with its own 7F sound profile. Providing the sound is one of YouChoos' own ICE speakers, a 28 by 18 design with twin speakers in it. Plus we've also got one of YouChoos' own high capacity stay alive units in there as well. And all that fits neatly inside the Fowler tender, which is paired with our locomotive here. To finish it off, we've also added a Model U 3D printed crew on the footplate, as well as a pair of LMS pattern lamps on the front. And just to add a little bit more character as well, we've got a coal load in the tender. Plus, in another video, we'll also be showing how to weather this locomotive using an airbrush and life colour paints. Look out for that on keymodelworld.com. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating the sound profile which we've installed into this Fowler 7F. Now, the YouChoos sound profile is very comprehensive. It features around 20 different sound functions, plus a number of additional features as well. Included in the profile is function 2, which gives us active brakes, so real live braking, where we can actually slow the locomotive down using the non-latching function of function 2. We've also got mode switching between heavy and light exhaust using function 5. Plus we've also got live volume control using functions 27 and 28. That allows us to increase or decrease the locomotive's overall sound volume without having to get into CV programming on a programming track. Other highlights of the YouChoos decoder package includes a full set of CV values for the locomotive as well. And in there as well you also get a sheet explaining regular tweaks for sound decoders too. So all helpful things to get you off the ground and get your sound installation going. Now, a full step-by-step guide to demonstrate the installation is available to read in issue 166, that's the April 2021 issue of Hornby Magazine. And in there we go through the whole process from start to finish, showing how we installed all the YouChoos components. Now, the best thing about this model as well is it's actually a really simple one to get going with if you haven't done a sound installation before. Everything you need to fits inside the tender. There's nice neat spaces in there for both the speaker and the sound decoder. Plus, with a little bit of ingenuity, you can also get the capacitor unit in there too, as you'll see in our step-by-step guide. Right now though, we're going to turn on the DCC system, fire up 53808 and show you off its sound functions here on Topley Dale. To start the ball rolling, we're going to run through the sound profile features from this YouChoos sound decoder. So as you'd expect, function 1 turns the main sounds on and off. Function 2 provides an active brake sound, so that actually slows the locomotive down. Function 3 is a whistle. Function 4 is another whistle. Function 5 allows you to toggle between heavy engine and light engine modes. So you can represent either a locomotive at the front of a heavy train or one working gently with a lighter load. Function 6 provides the coal shoveling sound. Function 7 provides a blower sound. Function 8 is like cylinder drain cocks. Function 9 is the guard's whistle. Function 10 is the injector. Function 11 can be used in conjunction with function 17. So number 11 is the opening of a water hatch. And if we use function 17, we get a water filling sound. Function 13 provides a station announcement. Function 14 does wheel flange squeal. Function 15 provides coach rattle. Function 16 is wheel slip. Got the water filling we just demonstrated on function 17. We've got another whistle on function 18. Function 19 brings the locomotive to a halt. Function 20 is a shunt mode or half speed. Function 21 is a blower sound. Function 22 is the ejector. Function 23 is a fourth whistle. And function 24 is a coupling up sound. And completing the function list there, we've got function 27, which does a volume decrease. And function 28, which does a volume increase. Right, now we've run through the sound functions. I'm going to take 53808 out onto the track and couple it up to a rake of coal wagons. We hope you've enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby Magazine workshop, and don't forget you can read our full step-by-step guide for installing YouChoos Fowler 7F280 sound file using a ZIMO decoder into this locomotive in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 166, the April 2021 issue, which is on sale now. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.